Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Talk with Moreni KG, and on this channel, I teach new YouTubers how to grow faster and work smart on YouTube. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you for coming. In this video, I'm going to be talking about watch hour decreasing. If your watch hour keeps decreasing, stay writing. I'll be sharing tips on what you can do to solve it and what can actually cause your watch hour to be reducing. I'm going to share with you tips. So the first thing I'm going to be saying is, let's say you made a video. We are in April now. Let's say you made a video April of last year, or let's say before that, March of last year. You know March is before April. So the video you made that March, the watch hour is going to reduce once it's 365 days. Do you understand? If you made a video and the video have exceeded a year after you made that video, the video watch hour will start decreasing. Let's say you made 500 watch hour last year of the video, and the video is over a year now. That 500 would be removed from your watch hour. That means they are going to start counting another one from that present month. So once it's 365 days after you created a video, basically your watch hour will start decreasing. So what you want to do instead of that is post consistently. Once you post consistently, it's going to make up for the lost year watch hour. So it's going to make up for it. Another thing that can cause your watch hour to start decreasing is if you delete or you private a video. I've seen a lot of YouTubers making that mistake. So once they upload a video, so maybe the video is not doing well, or maybe they are not getting enough views, or maybe they just thought of something and the editing or something or anything, they'll just go and remove the video. They can delete it or private that video. So that's going to cause your watch hour to reduce. Do you get? Instead of deleting that video, what you can do is you can edit out some parts even after uploading your video. You can cut out some parts on your YouTube studio. I'm going to make a video. If you want me to make a video on it, on how you can cut out already uploaded video, if you want to cut out some parts from it, tell me in the comment section and I'm going to make a video of that. Another thing you can do instead of deleting your video, if you see that the video is not going well, you are not getting enough views that you desire, another thing you can do is you can change the title. It's going to work. You can change the title of that video, or you can change the thumbnail. The views might increase if you change the thumbnail and the title. So that's what you want to do instead of deleting your video. Another option you can even do, another thing you can do if you don't want to delete your video, because you're going to lose all the watch hour that you've accumulated on that video if you private it or you delete it. So another thing you can do instead of that is maybe you want to add some parts to the video that you remembered after after uploading it on YouTube. So another thing you can do is that you can make another video. You can repurpose your video. What I'm saying is you can make another video, and maybe you made that video is about 10, 15, or 20 minutes. Make another video and add to what you want to say on that video. Repurpose that video, remake that video. Don't delete the old video. So add to it, remove from the video content, add to the video content, do whatever you want to do with it. Since it's not the same video, since you're recording a new video, you're not going to get copyright. So instead of deleting that old video, what you want to do is that make another video. The title has to be different, the description, the thumbnail can be different also. It has to be different. So make the same. I'm not saying the same totally video. Make another video instead of deleting that old one. Because if you delete it, all the watch hour that you've accumulated on that old video is going to be gone. Even if you private it. That's why they call watch hour public watch hour. That means public watch hour. The hours you get from your public video, that's what they are saying, public watch hour. So that's the hour you get from that your public video, not your private videos. So you want to work on that. So another thing is if you're making a video, or you're making, this one is for live streamers, if you're making use of a Restream app, or you're going on live, or you're doing a silent stream or anything, don't make your video length to be more than 12 hours. I know if you're using a Restream app and you're getting views, you're getting watch hour, you want to start being greedy. You want to let that video run for more time. But YouTube is not going to count all the hours that you accumulate from that video. Anything that exceeds 12 hours is zero watch hour that they are going to count for that video. So you're not going to get anything from that video. Once before it clocks that 12 hour, you have to stop filming. So that's another thing that can reduce your watch hour. If you want to start being greedy, you start making a video, you stream video of 12 hours, 10 seconds, 12 hours, 15 seconds, you're going to lose that watch hour totally. All that watch hour is going to be gone totally. Another one is violating YouTube guideline. Hmm. If you violate YouTube guideline, you're going to lose that watch hour. Let's say you have a copyright on your video. So if you have a copyright on your video now, YouTube is going to restrict. Let's say there's a restriction to the region that that video can go. Maybe you're talking about maybe you're talking about something that you can't say in a particular country. Definitely, YouTube is not going to push down your video to people that are in the restricted country. So you're not going to get enough watch hour from that. You're not even going to get any watch hour from that because your video will be restricted. You want to always follow YouTube guideline. Smoking is not allowed. There are some languages you can't say. There are some things you can't say on YouTube. So all these people that swears a lot, that curse a lot, they are not allowed on YouTube. So you have to be mindful of your language. You have to follow the guidelines strictly. Another thing is not all videos are eligible for watch hour. All your videos, it's not your video that you'll be able to get watch hour from. You will not get watch hour from some certain videos. So, like I said earlier, if you violate any of the YouTube guidelines, your videos might not be eligible. The watch hour you accumulate from that video might not be eligible. So, you want to be mindful of it. Another main thing is that, let's say a content creator also here watches your video, and after a while, that the channel of that person gets deleted, or the account, even if the person does not have a channel, or the account of that person gets deleted. YouTube is going to remove all the watch hour that person gave you from your watch hour. So that's one reason why you see some content creators shouting that their watch hour got reduced and they did not do anything. So that's another reason. If that person's channel, the person that gave you that watch hour, if that person's channel got deleted from YouTube, that means all the watch hour that person gave you, it's gone. So you might be thinking that, oh, I didn't do anything, but YouTube knows that that person watch hour does not count for you anymore. Another one is delayed processing. If you go to your YouTube App Studio, you'll see that your watch hour is different from what you're seeing on your Chrome or your browser. It's totally different from it because it's going to be different because YouTube takes 5 days to process watch hour. So before YouTube can process your watch hour, you see that it takes 5 days. They even wrote it there. If you go and read it, you see that it takes time for YouTube to process your watch hour. That's because they have to make sure that the video is not violating any guideline. They have to make sure that you're getting that watch hour from the right source because you see some people buying watch hour. YouTube is going to check for days before they add it to your watch hour that you are going to see. And if you check your YouTube Studio app, you're going to see that the watch hour there is different from your YouTube Studio on browser. That's because short watch hour might be added to that one that is on your app, that is on your YouTube Studio app. So the shorts might already be added to it. So you see your watch hour, maybe saying 10,000 watch hour on your YouTube Studio app. But when you get to your browser, you see that it's totally different. That's because that your studio is calculating everything. The watch hour you got on your channel compared to the one on your studio app. So it's going to be different from the one you see on your browser. So another one is that if you see that your live stream watch hour, some people will be saying their watch hour from their live stream is not counting because maybe you're checking your watch hour on that live stream analytics, you're checking that watch hour from it. So what YouTube does is that it's going to be showing for days own. Do you get? After a day, that watch hour that you're checking on your YouTube analysis of that particular video of your live stream is going to be different because it's showing 24 hours or 7 days. So what you're going to do is that maybe it has passed that 7 hour, that 24 hours or 7 days. What you're going to do is that you're going to change it to maybe 365 days, and it's going to bring out your reviews and your rewatch hour. That's why you see your live stream having like, let's say, 1,000 view. So after a while, you come back to that live stream and you're seeing like 5 views. You now start wondering that what happened to that view and what happened to the watch hour that it disappeared. That means YouTube, you're seeing the analytics of that video for the day, 24 hours or 7 days. So what you're going to do is that you're going to change it to maybe 365 days, and it's going to bring out the full watch hour for you on that particular video. So watch hour works a little bit different from your normal video. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Another thing that can make your watch hour reduce is posting during some season. Maybe you're posting during all this award or all this celebrity wedding, or maybe when there's a football season, people might not actually engage and watch your video during that time. Let's say there's a match, there's a football match by 7 p.m. and you're posting by that 7 p.m. Some people might not watch your video at all because they are already doing other things online at that particular time. So that might reduce your watch hour. Maybe you're someone that gets at least within an hour of uploading, maybe you get almost or more than 500 hours or 1 hour. So you're going to see a reduction in it because you're posting at the wrong season, at the wrong time. People are watching, maybe people are watching a celebrity daughter's wedding and you posted that same day. Everybody is searching for that celebrity's wedding, not your content. Even if they see your content, they are going to walk past it. So you have to watch out for when you're posting your video. Don't go and post during some season that you will not get views and watch hour. And those are the ways that you can make it work, that you can actually see an increase in your watch hour. If you follow all the things I've said in this video, you're going to see changes in your analytics, in your watch hour, you're going to see changes. And if you're experiencing a similar issue, if your watch hour is decreasing, even without reason, even without anything, without doing anything, don't feel discouraged. Just keep posting consistently. It's going to make up for it. Don't give up. Don't give up, keep posting. If you've ever encountered a drop in your watch hour, let me know in the comment section so that other people can get to learn from you too. Please drop a comment for me and I'm going to reply. Share your experience with me and let's support each other. See you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.